Hello Year 2, it is the 12th of January 2021 and it is time for our maths session. So if you're in my set, in Mrs O'Keefe's set, you need to make sure that you have got the maths workout book and it says Year 1 at the bottom, okay? So just make sure you've got the Year 1. I then need you to turn to page number 2. Okay, page number 2. And today we are looking at number and place value. So what we're looking at today is looking at groups of objects and working out what those numbers are. Okay, so over here it says how many shapes are there in each group. So I'm not going to do the same amount as what's in these boxes, okay, because I want you to have a think about them and try working them out for yourself. So I'm just going to do some random amount of objects in each group, and then we're going to count them up together, but they will not be the same as the ones in your book. These are for you to try at home. So for now I'm just going to pop that down. Just want you to have a look at the board. Okay, so the first one, let's have a go at doing some triangles, and let's have a count at how many are in that group. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and underneath write the number 5 for me, okay? The next one, let's have a go at doing some circles. Let's count how many are in this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 7, I know, can trick us out sometimes because occasionally I get 7s that look like this. We don't want 7s like that, okay? So a way to remember it is slide to the right and slam it down. Slide to the right, slam it down to make the number 7. And then over here, oh, I think I might do some hearts. Let's count them all together. Are we ready? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then write the number 6 underneath. Now, if we look back at our book, that is the same sort of thing as what's being asked of you in question 1, okay? So you should be able to go off and do those now on your own, counting how many are in each group and then writing the number underneath in the box. So number 2 says count how many arrows there are and write your answer in words. Now that's following on from what we did yesterday. Yesterday we looked at writing our numbers in words, didn't we? So we're going to need to put our thinking caps back on, think about those words and what they looked like yesterday and how we can apply them in today's maths, okay? So rather than Mrs O'Keefe having to draw all these arrows, we're just going to have a look at these, okay? So this is the number 5. So underneath, I'm going to have a go at writing the word 5. Five. And if you're not sure how to spell those words, have a look on yesterday's video. I know Mrs O'Keefe put a board up with lots of different numbers on with the written word, okay? So that might be able to help you. Oh, now I need to write 7. The last one, 6. Excellent, well done. So on number 2, you need to count those arrows and then write the written number underneath. And then on number 3, it says how many of each fruit are there? Cross out each fruit as you count them. So, just like we've done before, we're counting how many are in the box, but now it's asking us, because there might be a few more than 10, it's asking us to cross them out, okay? So when you get to this one, you're going to count however many are in your box, but every time you count, cross them out. Don't count them all and then cross them. Cross them as you count them. So you'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that just makes sure that we know that we've not left any out, because if one isn't crossed, then we know we haven't counted it, okay? If you finish this really quickly and you want something else to do, then maybe you could get your whiteboard and you could have a go at doing your own groups and putting the objects in and counting them and have a practice with your grown-up. I'd love to see all the different work that you're doing, so make sure you email it in to us at the Year 2 email. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.